As a remote professional, you embrace the freedom to work from anywhere. Beautiful beaches and thrilling adventures sounds dreamy, but it's also easy to feel a sense of loneliness and disconnection. It's all good. We got a solution to that. The Prokope Academy connects remote professionals like you with students in Southeast Asia who are eager to learn new digital skills. Through our offline workshops, you can share your expertise and unlock valuable tools that the students can use to create positive change in their communities.
I can discuss so many ideas with my friends, and then I can make something new with that collaboration.
It was so happy and so fun.
For me, it's very cool and very educating.
So I really like it. I really enjoy it.
Overall, it was a 10 out of 10.
Make a real impact on the places you visit. Join our vibrant community of remote professionals committed to making a difference. Together, let's redefine what it means to work remotely. Let's make your journey matter.